If you're wondering whether you can get Xfinity Internet without installing a coax cable in your home, here's the clear answer. In most standard residential setups, Xfinity delivers internet service through a coaxial cable line that runs from the street into your home. That coax line connects to your modem or gateway, which then broadcasts Wi-Fi to your devices. So, can you completely skip the coax cable? In most cases, no. Traditional Xfinity cable internet depends on that physical coax connection because their primary network infrastructure is cable-based. However, there are a few alternatives depending on your location. Xfinity offers nationwide access to public Wi-Fi hotspots. If you purchase an Xfinity Wi-Fi pass or have eligible access, you can connect to nearby hotspots without installing any cables at home. This works well for temporary use, travel, or light internet needs. In select areas, Xfinity may also offer fiber internet service. Fiber connections use fiber optic lines instead of coax, so if fiber is available at your address, you may not need a coax cable at all. Availability varies widely by region, so you'll need to check service options for your specific address. There are also wireless options in some markets, including fixed wireless solutions, though these are not as widely available as cable service. Before making a decision, check Xfinity availability in your area to see which technologies are offered at your address.